In this video, I will show you how to turn off aim assist in Fortnite. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, in order to do this, as you can see, I'm currently here on Fortnite. I'll be showing you how to do this on a PC, but the steps are the same if you're on a console like a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox. Now, from the Fortnite lobby, what you're going to want to do first is come up to your profile avatar icon in the top right hand corner and just give that a click. Then what you want to do is come to your settings. So if you look at this menu on the left hand side, you just want to come down and click onto this gear icon to come into your settings. Once you're in your settings, come up to the top, and what you want to do is click onto the controller icon over here. And then what you want to do is come across to this menu on the left hand side and click onto sensitivity. Now in this section, you're going to see down here it says use advanced options. What you want to do is go ahead and turn this on. Once you've done this, you're going to get a pop-up like this. Just go ahead and click confirm. Then what you can do on this screen is scroll down slightly, and we want to look for a specific option which is just down here. So you can see precision aim assist strength and tracking aim assist strength. Now by default this is going to be set to 100, which means that aim assist is going to be turned on. But to go ahead and turn this off, all you need to do is simply move the slider bar down to 0. So you want to do that for both options, for the precision aim assist strength and the tracking aim assist strength. What you want to do is reduce this all the way to 0, and that's going to go ahead and turn off aim assist. After doing this, be sure to click apply down in the bottom right hand corner. This will generally happen when you exit out of your settings. It's going to ask you to save your changes, and that is how to turn off aim assist in Fortnite. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.